In today's video, I will walk you through how to track realized versus unrealized profits on Deribit. On Deribit, your profit and loss is displayed using two separate metrics, Unrealized P&L and Realized P&L. To view these values, select the trading market you want to use, whether that is options, futures, or perpetuals. Then scroll to the bottom of the interface and open the Positions tab. In the Active Positions table, look across the row for your open trade. You will see separate columns for Unrealized P&L and Realized P&L. Start by looking at the Unrealized P&L column. This shows your current profit or loss for an open position. It is based on the difference between your average entry price and the current mark price, not the last traded price. Deribit uses the mark price when calculating this value. Because this value is tied to the current market, it changes continuously as prices move. It reflects what your profit or loss would be if you closed the position immediately using a market order. As the value changes, it also affects your maintenance margin and your equity in real time. Next, check the Realized P&L column. This represents cash movements that have already been finalized and applied to your account balance. Unlike unrealized P&L, these values are no longer tied to market fluctuations for an open position. Realized P&L combines several different items. It includes the profit or loss from positions that have been closed or reduced. It also includes trading fees charged when opening, modifying, or closing a position. If you are trading perpetual contracts, funding fees are also included. These funding payments are exchanged between long and short positions at the scheduled funding intervals. And each payment is automatically added to or subtracted from your realized P&L. If you trade futures, it is also important to understand the daily settlement process. Deribit settles accounts each day at 8 o'clock UTC. During this settlement, the unrealized P&L accumulated over the previous 24 hours is automatically transferred into your realized P&L. At the same time, your position's average entry price is adjusted to match the snapshot mark price recorded during settlement. After the settlement is complete, you may notice that your unrealized P&L has returned close to zero, while your realized P&L or account balance has increased or decreased. This does not mean your overall profit or loss has changed. It simply means the platform has completed its daily accounting process. If you want to review your profit and loss history over a longer period, move your cursor over your profile icon in the top right corner and open the transaction log. From there, filter the results by asset type and date range, then download the CSV ledger to review every historical P&L realization event across the selected period. Thank you for watching.